But on the other side of our business, minsan hindi natin napapansin na may growth din in terms of agency building. No? And okay lang ba? Malaman ka natin dito, by show of hands, sino ba dito yung mga hindi AUMs? Mayroon ba? Few, no? Meron ba? Medyo marami-rami rin pala. Alright. Share ko lang sa inyo guys na here in our business, na-mention nga ng mga host, no? We should sell and recruit, no? Ginamit natin yung conjunction na and because hindi siya guys or it's not an option. Kasi dapat pinagsasabay natin siya. Alright? Many of us, I'm really sure, we really want to be successful in this business. Tama? Sino ba yung ayaw maging successful in this business? Nandito nga ako kay Crew because I really want to be successful in life. Many want success, but only few take the fastest route to success, which is building our own team. Ayan, no? So hindi siya nag-work, which is building our own team. Or, start tayo mag-recruit. No? That's the fastest route for us to really grow in this business. At ko lang pala yung naging analogy yesterday ni Mr. Sanjay Balari. Sabi nga guys, no, we have two options. Be a doctor or build a hospital. Yes, na kung kaya natin maging TOT everyday, be a doctor. Know your strength. But for us, no, na hindi sa ganung level, for us to better grow in this business, let's all build our own hospitals. No, let's work with people kasi the more people na we work with, mas mapapabilis yung business natin or growth natin in this business. Ayan. So, share ko lang sa inyo, team, the reason why I started recruiting. So, ano ba yung pinaka-main reason why I started recruiting? With just simple favor. No, my AUM that time shared and talked to me na gustong-gusto niya maging UM. Now, she's been in the industry for how many years na rin? And I felt, no, na-felt ko yung eagerness niya na maging UM talaga. And for me, na bilang grateful na nandito ako sa industry na to, kasi I'm really grateful na napasok ako sa industry na to, as much as possible, I want to give back, no, yung pagiging grateful ko sa kanya. So I started recruiting. When I was a rookie, agad-agad ko ba na-accept yung recruitment? Hindi. Now, bakit ko siya share sa inyo guys? With just a simple favor, ginawa ko siya. Hindi ko naman agad-agad inisip, sige magre-recruit ako kasi nga magiging unit manager din ako. Gagawin ko lang siya just to help you. But, napakaswerte natin. To all the delegates, napakaswerte natin because we are in the business of helping. No, lagi natin siya naririnig. Because, hindi lang natin natutulungan yung mga clients na nai-insure natin, we are also helping people here grow in this business also, which are our teammates. Ayan. No? So, ang gaganda sa business nito, you help other people grow simply by just helping yourself grow also. So, bakit ko pa share sa inyo? Guys, need ba natin ng favor lang for us to recruit? Hindi. We all have different reasons bakit tayo nag-recruit. For me, favor. Maybe for some, dahil lang sinabi ni UM, ni DM, guys, recruit tayo. Now, we all have different reasons. Pero ang pinaka-importante lang na gawin natin is for us to start. Now, gawin natin siya part ng ating activities everyday. Kasi ano naging impact nun dahil nag-start lang ako kahit hindi ko pa nakikita yung sarili ko na gagawin yung business na to ng matagalan. Kasi nga, as a rookie, focus ako sa selling. No? I used to think that my success here in this business, kumbaga will determine based on sa performance ko. Based sa production ko, because bigger production means bigger proofing. Diba? Bigger proofing. But in reality, I also saw a lot of agents. No? Majority of them kasabayan ko na Code 2022. But many of them are right now are wearing gray shirts. Imagine guys, magkakasabay lang kami, pero ako naka-white shirt. Again, hindi siya mabilisan, but I've realized those people na unit manager na right now, no, pinagsabay nila yung selling. No? Those people, sobrang galing nila in terms of selling at the same time, they started recruiting. So, mas napabilis yung growth nila in this business. So, paano ko ba? No, I just want to share with you guys, given I have the numbers na dahil eventually nag-grow na yung team ko, no? Hindi ako aware. Nag-start na ako mag-recruit isa, hanggang naging dalawa, hanggang hindi ko na malayan, yung numbers ko, pwede na pala siya mag-qualify to leadership. Pero why did I consider the JUM position? To be honest, nung narinig ko yung JUM way back 2023, hindi ko siya masyado pinapansin. Why? Sabi naman nila kasi yung JUM is just an optional after all. No? Pwede ka naman mag-proceed to UM-ship. But then I realized, yes, I do have the numbers, konti na lang idadagdag ko. Pero personally, ready na ba ako? Ayun yung question, guys. If ever ba maging unit manager ka, ready ka na ba to take on the full responsibility? Kasi I know there are also a lot of people, maybe just like me, no, may fear, kaya hindi nila pinupursue yung leadership in this business. Ang iba naman naghihintay pa, kailangan ko munang may mag-prove, no, sa pagbebenta for me to build my team. Mali po yun. No? We just need to start. So if ever natatakot kayo, no, to take on the full responsibility as a UM, perfect guys, up for grab lang yung JUM position. So bakit ba maganda yung JUM position? Paano ko ba siya nakita? No? For me, being a JUM is an opportunity for us. No? It's an opportunity for me to practice my leadership. At the same time, help hone or develop my teammates. Alright? So maganda pala to, while no, hindi ko pa, kumbaga niyayakap yung full responsibility as a UM, may opportunity ako for me to develop my skills as a leader, at the same time, develop my team also. Para masasabi ko confidently, UM na ako, and hindi ako UM lang na hitaw. Diba? Yung na-term natin ngayon. At the same time, syempre, in reality, if ever maging UM tayo, we need funds. No? So, for those people na gusto din tumaas no, or madagdagan yung funds, being a JUM also increases your income. Ayan. So, napaka-question ulit ako sa sarili ko. Di ba? Dati hindi ko pinapansin yung JUM. But, if JUM is optional, no, but beneficial, why not consider it? Di ba? Kung for you, optional lang naman siya, yes. Pero beneficial siya sa growth mo, why not take it? Ayan. So ano ba yung ginawa ko? I just want to share with you guys one strategy. Just the same time, no? Isa lang guys. Ano ba yung one of the most effective, no, effective strategy that I applied in my business for me to grow my team while helping my unit also to grow? Isa sa pinaka-strategy guys na ginawa ko is yung mindset na if selling doesn't work or if selling activities slows down, shift to recruiting. Guys, yung sinishare ko sa inyong strategy right now, this is something na natutunan ko lang din sa ganitong events. I remember when I attended Siklab pa kasi dati guys, rise up. When I attended Siklab, I've learned this strategy from one of the rookies also. And yes, napakasimple niyang strategy, pero it really worked. No? Kasi majority sa atin, di ba? If we feel na hindi productive yung araw natin, hindi tayo nakakapag-set ng meeting, sobrang dami kong activity, sobrang dami kong approaches, ni isa wala akong nasa-set na meeting. Minsan, wala ka nang nasa-set na meeting, puro rejection pa. Ano normally yung naging reaction natin? Normally yung naging reaction natin, we stop working. Sige, pahinga muna ako. No? So yung mga oras na sinayang natin dahil pagpapahinga, napupunta lang sa wala. In reality, guys, we should maximize our time. Minsan kasi akala lang natin yung, makakonsider lang natin yung araw natin productive if may nasa tayo meeting. But in reality, whether it's selling or recruiting, we should still build our business. No? So maximize natin yung remaining time to recruiting. And nung ginawa ko yun, guys, promise, magugulat kayo. From one recruit, magiging dalawa, magiging tatlo. Kasi na-maximize ko lang yung oras ko every day. And sabi nga dito, when others grow, I grow too. Diba, ang sarap sa feeling na tutulong ka lang, no? And eventually, natutulong ako sa sarili ko. Ako bilang someone na was really grateful na nandito ako sa business na to, ginagawa ko yung best ko to also share those to also share the opportunity na once given to me. No? Kaya tayo na nandito, bilang future leaders, if you're really grateful that you're here right now, if you're really grateful sa opportunity na binigay sa'yo, it's also our responsibility to share that to our friends and to other people. No? So, JUM is just the beginning. No? Umpisa lang siya, guys. But our success shouldn't be focused lamang sa sarili. It's also building our team. And the best time for us to start or to rise up is to start recruiting today. Ayan. No? So, regardless guys, one thing is clear. If you continue the path of JUM or hindi, isa lang yung clear. No? Those who start early grow faster. No? Pabilisan ko guys. Again, those who start early grow faster. So before I end, I just want to leave you with one question. Sa mga nakikinig, sa my co-financial advisors. After this event, am I ready to rise up? Because the moment that you decide to start, that's when everything changes. Thank you so much, and good afternoon, everyone.
Thank you so much.